Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick tutorial today to show you how to get every secret weapon in 1v1 with every gun. I'm going to show you how to unlock all secrets using a working code for 1v1 with every gun. Super easy, guys. This will take you a few minutes to get your secret code, but it is well worth it because you are going to get every single secret gun and secret weapon and secret item. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. As you can see, I've got my mobile phone. I've been searching Google and YouTube, and I managed to find a YouTube tutorial that didn't have many views, and I'm going to show you exactly how to go ahead and get your secret weapons. So you need to use your mobile and go to www.coldcoupons.com. Now, this is basically a codes website. So let's just type it in and I'll talk you through it. So Cold Coupons. This is a codes website, and they actually have a page with some 1v1 with every gun secret codes on. So you just need to search for that in the search bar. So as you can see, search here. I'm just going to type in there 1v1. There we go, 1v1 with every gun. So there are currently 2 secret codes, and if you scroll down, you can get aimbot. This is a 1v1 with every gun aimbot code, so this is going to get you that. And this is the one, guys. This is going to get 1v1 with every gun, all weapons. So this is going to unlock all of the secrets. This includes weapons, items, and guns, guys. So you need to click on get code. And these are limited secret codes, guys. So what you're going to want to do is click on that. This is going to look for a code. As you can see, they are limited. They're verified working. So that what this is going to do is find you a code. Now, you need to unlock your secret code. As you can see, it says the code will be revealed in the box after verification. So I'm not going to do it. I've already done this, and these are limited codes, as you can see. So what you're going to want to do is click on get full code. There's going to be a set of instructions telling you how to unlock your 1v1 with every gun secret code. It's going to take you a few minutes, but follow the instructions. It's completely free, and in a few minutes, your code will then be unlocked. You can redeem it in-game, and that is how to get every gun and every secret in 1v1 with every gun. So head on over to Cold Coupons, find this page, guys, and just select all weapons code, and that is how to do it. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and I'll see you in my next tutorial.